Kintsugi tutorial video Step 2A Sticking pieces together in English. Please wear the rubber gloves. First, we make Mugi-urushi as an adhesive. Please watch Step 2 video how to create Mugi-urushi. We created Mugi-urushi with the texture of chewing gum. Then bring the broken plate. To prevent from oxidization, place the spatula on Mugi-urushi. Using the bamboo spatula, apply Mugi-urushi on both sides of the cracks. Prepare masking tape and scissors. Cut and prepare some parts of masking tape. Stick the cracks together. Apply masking tape you prepared on the plate. Make sure there is no gap between both pieces with the other side of bamboo spatula. Apply masking tape on the other side of the item as well. Further apply Mugi-urushi on the other cracks and stick together. Please leave the item in the urushi box to keep the humidity and keep the box in the warm place. It takes at least 1 week until urushi becomes hardened, so please wait. Then cleaning time. Scrape dirt from the palette with the spatula and oil and wipe it off well with tissue. If it's still sticky, you can also wash it with soap or dish soap. Please try Kintsugi at home by yourself. Our Kintsugi kit is now on sale. We are not perfect incorporated.